everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this viral Christmas AI photo using the Christmas miniature doll AI effect powered by Google Gemini Nano Banana. This effect is trending right now because it can turn your photo into a cute, hyper-realistic doll-like Christmas character, and the result will look insane. So let's jump right in. First thing first, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account because this feature is connected to Google's latest AI tools. And also double check that your Gemini app is updated to the newest versions. And then next, just inside the Gemini, just go to create image, just tap it, and then you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to access or activate the Nano Banana, the feature that lets you edit and generate images instantly using prompts. And then next, just upload your photo. Make sure your face is clear, well lit, and facing the camera for the best results. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this, and then just tap on done. This photo will be used as the main face reference, so the clearer it is, the better the AI results. And then now comes the most important part. Let's type in a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then just extract the text using the Google Lens, and then just copy it and paste it to your prompt box like this. And then next you can just tweak it as you like maybe change the details of the outfit, the background, or the vibes, the lighting, just match your styles. Next, just copy the prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste the prompt, and when you're done about the prompt, just simply tap on generate like this. And okay, like this, you will get a Christmas miniature doll styles AI photo. Honestly, that looks so cute, festive, and super high quality. It's super cute. It has a chubby cheek like this. It's so cute. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can create a trending Christmas AI photo using Nano Banana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.